Welcome to PepPill Store, your complete pharmacy management system. This is a short video on how to log in to PepPill Store. To log in to the PepPill Store web application, you need to open a web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Then you need to select the address bar and start typing store.peppill.com. Next, you have to type your username followed by the password. Next, you have to click the login button. So this is how you log in to the PepPill Store web application. Please watch our other videos to know more about PepPill Store.